Beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This fried rice is one of the easiest ever. This egg fried rice. Please just stay tuned. It takes only a little time. Okay guys, I love this recipe so much because it requires very little effort and very little time. You need some cooking oil, some onions which I've added to my pan. I'm going to be stir frying this for like 2 to 3 minutes just in case you don't like crunchy onions. This is what I like to do, and I'm going to allow it to caramelize for like 2 minutes. I'm adding my beaten eggs. I used about 4 eggs which I beat already, and I allowed it to set for some time. It doesn't really matter, you can start stirring it almost immediately, but I just like allowing it to set, and I'm just going to like make it scramble. This is not an omelette at all. I'm going to like scramble it for like roughly 30 seconds to 1 minute, and I should have done this ahead, but it doesn't really matter. So at this point I added my seasoning powder, very little, because this egg fried rice, like I said, requires little ingredients. You can add your seasoning powder right from when you add your eggs. It depends on you. And this is the time to add your rice. Like, we're almost done, can you imagine? So you can use either like freshly cooked rice, you can use rice that you've had in your freezer. This is why I like this recipe so much. I like most times use rice from my freezer already. I'm using light soy sauce. You can use dark soy sauce, but for this particular one I like light soy sauce. I'm using some garlic paste. You can use any, it's totally optional. If you don't want to use garlic, it's okay for you, but it just gives me the extra spice that I want to this dish. I'm adding some sesame oil, of course, because this is what makes it easy Chinese fried rice. And my last ingredient will of course be my spring onions, and everything is done. Like, can you imagine? My kids love this so much. It takes little time, especially if you have rice already sitting down in your freezer, sorry, in your fridge. Just toss all the ingredients and you have a wonderful dish at the end of the day. One thing I like this dish for is that you can eat it alone, you can eat it with some sauce, like some sweet sauce, any sauce of your choice. I practically eat this alone. Like, before I even have time to scoop out some sauce, I've finished like eating my own portion of this rice. It's very lovely. Try it, let me know what you think. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you try this recipe, and kindly follow me on Instagram as well. I'd love to see you come back, and if you've not subscribed, please subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in subsequent videos. Bye. Thank you.